everyone, and welcome to
The Ripple.
Wow, good
pwede.
chemistry today.
In sync pa rin tayo.
Good chemistry today. Medyo ano kami sa season 2 ngayon.
Yes.
Naninibago. Wow, pero excited na kami to be here
Yes.
together.
Lalo na with our very special guest.
Oo. Sana excited din siya.
Sana excited din siya.
Sobrang
Mukha
excited
naman,
na
cute
ako.
yung smile niya ngayon.
Wow,
Magsalita.
cute. Oo. Are you jealous? Cute yung smile niya.
Oh, medyo yung sa akin medyo ano lang.
Oh, it needs
Uy,
work.
Cute din yun
Oo.
sa'yo.
Ay, we love a
Yung dimples niya,
supportive.
cute. Medyo na disorient ako.
Yung na-distract sa dimples niya, no? But maybe everybody's wondering, sino ba yung guest natin for today? Actually, baka hindi sila nag-wonder kasi alam na nila.
Of course.
Siyempre, nasa
Kasi
title
nasa
eh.
title eh.
Tama.
Pinindot nila yung
Tama. So
episode.
without further ado, everybody, please welcome Amiel Song.
Hello, everyone. Hi, guys.
Hi.
Kamusta naman kayo?
Okay
Ako
naman.
nag-interview.
Hoy.
Oh, thank you so much for
Sobrang
asking.
disorienting
Alam mo ba?
nun.
Nagkwento.
Actually,
Ang
yung
dami
week na
kong
to
pinagda-
nakakapagod talaga.
You got this.
Oh, gusto mo yun tayo nag-ano.
Hindi.
Oo.
Ikaw, kamusta ka?
Oo, how's
Masaya
life?
ako. Day by day lang, pero sobrang saya. Sobrang saya recently ng mga ganap. Dami.
Ang
dami
solid
ganap.
naman nung day by day niya.
Oh, sana.
Pumapalo yung songs sa day by day lang ang
Yeah.
life niya.
Pero feeling ko yun talaga yun eh. I mean, such is life. Dapat day by day
Yes.
naman talaga.
Yes.
No matter what you're going through. Oh,
Tama.
bungad pala.
Cherish.
Ganun na yung wisdom
Lalim
natin.
agad.
Oo. But we're so excited to have you here. Kasi first time namin, obviously, to have you here.
Yeah.
Syempre, and first time din
First time mo to have us here.
Yes.
Oo. First time din tayo mag-i-interact ngayon. So, we're gonna get to know each other.
Yun, excited na rin ako.
Oo. And kanina nga, nagulat kami guys kasi nag-uusap kami. Nalaman namin, yung major pala ni Amiel Sol nung college siya is
BS.
BS Math.
Yes.
Grabe. So, paano ka nakapasok doon sa BS Math? Like, how was that the trajectory that you envisioned for yourself?
Yung bata ka ba inisip mo maging mathematician?
I want to
Ano?
be a mathematician.
Parang ang pangit nung Hindi, pero kasi nung high school, sa science high school ako nag-aral. So medyo expected talaga sa amin na nasa STEM ang field namin. Hindi naman ako masyado mahilig sa ibang sciences and sa engineering. So parang yun na rin yung parang naging practical way for me. Tsaka, ayun, yun lang.
Oh, that's super interesting. Nagagamit mo ba yung math mo?
Well, up
BS
until
Math.
recently, kasi nagkaroon din naman ako ng day job.
Oh,
Na-
congrats.
Yeah, ako, data analyst ako dati. So, ayun, nagamit ko naman siya for a while
Mhm.
while balancing itong music, ganyan.
Oh my, I feel tuloy.
Medyo nabobo.
Oh.
Hindi.
Dapat pala I do more things, no? Like, dapat ganun. Pero no, that's cool. At least you were able to use it for a
Yeah.
bit. And alam ko kasi, I mean, even though for me, I graduated from college 6 years ago. I'm
What
proud,
year?
okay? I'm proud.
Tama.
6 years ago.
Damn, Sam.
6 years ba?
Hindi lang feeling.
Naku, nalimutan
OA
pa.
ka ha. Oh, basta ganon. 6 years ago. Tapos minsan, di ba you question, do you get to use your degree, ganyan. Pero ngayon, pa-practice natin yung BS Math mo. Ready ka
sige,
ba?
Sige.
Oo. So, ngayon magpo-formulas tayo.
Wow!
Wow!
Formula!
Formulas! Pero yung mga formulas natin, very, abstract.
Oo.
Okay.
Very hindi academic at all.
Oo, para ma-practice yung BS Math plus artistry.
Oo.
Ay,
Creativity.
Plus songwriting and
Oo.
formula
Oo.
creation.
So, we're gonna give you, like, topics, ganun. And then, you have to create the perfect formula to create that. Gets ba?
Oo, sige.
Okay, ready ka na ba? Do you wanna start? Nico?
Sige, yung first natin na gagawin mo ng formula is ano ang dalawang things na kailangan mo for love. Tama ba?
Yes. So, blank plus blank,
Blank
equals
plus
love.
blank equals love.
I think, dalawa, no? Being there sa ups plus downs.
Wow!
Ay, ang ganda. Ang
Creative,
ganda nun.
creative.
Songwriter ka
na.
Gets ko na.
That's true.
Diba?
Oo. Which is easier said than done.
Yeah.
Oo,
Diba?
tama.
Agree ka ba doon?
Yes, kasi parang madali lang naman magstay sa mga honeymoon phase, sa
Yes.
kilig stage, ganyan. Pero 'di ba, hindi naman lagi yan.
Madali kumapit sa bagay na
Oo.
stable.
Yes, ayun. So, kung mahal mo talaga, nandiyan ka sa lahat ng stages, ups man o
Yeah.
downs.
Wow. Totoo naman. That's
Tama naman
true.
siya.
Very good, intro to our, what else we're gonna talk about today. Kasi feeling ko, ang dami mong,
Ang daming hanash.
Yeah, about love. Which is great. Lahat naman tayo, kailangan ng outlet to
Yes.
talk about these
Tama.
things. Okay, the next one is medyo complex. Kasi di ba sa math, may mga complex
Mhm.
equations.
Ako yung worst sa math growing up. So, hindi ko rin alam.
Really?
Oo.
I believe you, so.
Kaya nga ako, kaya nga ako
Grabe siya.
artist eh.
Okay, so the next one is success. So, for this one, let's do blank plus blank minus blank.
Ah, okay. Success is consistency. Tapos, plus passion. Syempre, passion. Minus comparison.
Ay, ang ganda
Ooh, that's good.
Feeling ko nga, for every artist nga comparison.
Oo,
yung
di ba?
pinaka-
Kasi parang kahit ano yung ma-achieve mo, kapag lagi kang tumitingin sa success ng iba, parang di mo ma-appreciate eh. Diba sabi nga, ano yun? Ano yung saying na yun? Comparison is the thief of joy, di ba?
Yes.
So yun, parang, yun para sa akin talaga. Kailangan ko lang mag-focus sa kung ano yung journey ko, di
Yeah.
ba? Rather than comparing myself to others.
Is that true?
It's very true.
Di ba?
Kasi syempre, parang pag artist ka maliban dun sa product, pati yung process mo, maraming comparing na nangyayari.
Yeah,
Because you're referencing other artists, you're listening to other music and other
Mm.
songwriting. So parang at the end of the day, pag umabot ka na dun sa point na napupunta sa negative yung comparison mo for your stuff, feel ko dun nauubos. Dun nakaka-burnout.
Yeah, oo,
Tama.
totoo.
Ikaw, for you.
As,
As
a
an
normal
artist.
human being. As an artist in other ways.
In other ways.
In
artist
other ways.
ka.
That's true. Just in general.
Diba?
Comparison is not fun. Diba? In
Yeah.
the age of social media, yung mga
Mm,
ganon.
ang dali eh. Ang
yeah,
dali ngayon
ang hirap
mag-compare.
ma-pressure ba? Na sometimes you feel like, ako, palagi, I always feel like, dapat I should do more.
Mm.
Even though I'm already doing so much. Kasi pag
Yeah.
nakakompare ko yung sarili ko to other people, parang, wow, parang kulang pa. Even
Yeah.
though I'm already like, crying. Crying inside. So that's so true. So to anybody listening, whoever you may be,
Yeah.
don't try as much as you can not to
Hindi compare nyo ng
Yes.
sarili nyo
Mm.
forever.
Or that's up to you. Di naman kami magpe-pressure. no?
Bahala kayo dyan.
Okay, last but not least, we have the perfect equation to
A good song.
perfect love song.
Yeah, perfect love,
Love,
song.
love
Oh.
song. Para sa akin, ang hilig ko kasi sa love song na parang hindi naman more, pero hindi sa kilig na love, but yung yearning.
Oh, that's a good word.
So,
Yearning.
For me, yearning plus yearning ulit.
Yearning
Pero
plus
yun talaga,
yearning.
yearning talaga. I think yun yung perfect word para ma-describe yung kung ano yung pinaka ini-aim ko when I write about love. Kasi ang sarap ng ng hindi ka lang kinikilig, hindi mo lang siya nami-miss, hindi lang ganun. Pero you yearn for that person. Diba,
Very
ganun?
sentimental nga yung
Oo.
writing niya. Hindi siya momentary magsulat na
Yes.
parang, now this is how I feel, this is what I write about. Yung sa kanya mas, as a whole, general concept of love with a
Ah.
person. Ganda.
And that's interesting kasi these days, I've been seeing a lot of people talk about yearning.
Mhm.
Di ba? Ako lang ba? Like, I always see it all the time now. Kasi before, I never really thought about love as,
Yeah.
part of it as yearning. Di ba? Pero, yun nga, naging conscious ako na there is a certain yearning when it comes, for a person
Yeah.
or for a feeling or
Yeah.
an experience. And that's so interesting to hear kasi I don't hear it often.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Yun nga, yung sinabi mo, usually, pag iniisip natin yung love, kilig na lang.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
sometimes, most of the time, it's also pain, right? The things
Yeah,
that go into
Especially
that.
in music, parang for the longest time, the biggest emotional songs are mostly sad. So yung
Yeah.
malalim
Ah.
usually, parang it's given na, parang inisip ng tao, if it's a happy song, it's not that deep.
Mm.
If it's a love song, it's not that deep. So parang laging yung sad ones, yung malalim. So
malalim
parang now,
talaga.
songs have been more and more into that whole love song emotional
Yeah.
side.
Oo.
And there's been a big shift in that.
Which is nice to see.
Yeah.
Kasi yun nga, it feels very, like even just the word yearning feels very traditional Filipino kind of love. You
Yeah.
know what I mean? Yung
Oo.
parang watching from the sideline
Yeah.
din, na parang gusto mo yung feeling na yun. And I think that's such a good place to start to talk about, of course, yung music mo. Kasi yun nga, yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, your journey as a person, iba from, becoming an artist. It wasn't
Yeah.
always like, I'm assuming na parang you thought from you were very young na ito talaga yung gagawin mo. So how did you end up actually doing music from, thinking na, let's do some BS math. Like, diba?
Actually, for me, talagang hobby ko talaga yung music. As in, nung elementary ako, nag-guitar na ako. Tapos nung high school, nagba-battle of the bands kami ng mga kaklase ko, ganyan. So talagang nag-enjoy ako. Pero,
classic Filipino
Ano-
music
oo.
journey.
Anong pambaton yung
Siya yung
song?
poging pupasok sa school meeting.
Tapos
Oo.
mysterious siya.
Oo.
Oo, anong pambaton yung song nung Battle of the
kami,
Bands?
beer.
Ay,
Ng Itchy Worms. Oh, yun.
classic.
Tapos ako naman, dun sa band namin nung high school, hindi ako makakanta. As in, lang ako. Guitars ako sa guitar.
Mysterious.
Oo.
Mysterious.
So,
Sila yung mga
nitong-
15-year-old na
Oo.
kumakanta ng beer.
ganun, diba?
Yun
Tapos
yun.
nung college ako, hindi na kami magkakasama ng mga classmates ko na kasama ko mag-band. So, ako gusto ko pa rin siyang ituloy. Kahit as a hobby lang habang pinupursu ko yung degree ko. So, sumalay ako sa mga open mics na ako na lang din kumakanta kasi para acoustic. Hindi ko kailangan ng ibang kasama para...
Nagsusulat ka na ng time na to?
Nung time na yon hindi pa. Mga ako nito, first year, second year. Hindi pa ako nagsusulat talaga. Puro covers lang yung kinakanta ko. Tapos kumakanta rin ako sa mga food parks, mga 3 oras na
As in,
Wow.
pwesto.
Oo, pwesto talaga. Oo, ganun. Tapos yung yung sulat sila sa tissue ng request nila.
Oo.
Pag alam ko.
So may 100 pesos,
50,
500.
diba ganun? Tapos, ayun. Eventually, nung dumating yung pandemic, parang nasa back of my mind din talaga na gusto ko magsulat, gusto ko mag-release. Not necessarily to have it as my main career, pero to fuel my passion na at least kahit papaano nagagawa ko yung gusto kong gawin. And then nung dumating yung pandemic, ang dami kong time. So naisip ko talaga kung di pa ngayon, 'di ba? Kailan pa. So bumili ako ng mic. Yung medyo mura lang.
BM800.
Ayun, yun. BM800 yung gold.
Lahat yun yung
gold,
binibili.
diba?
Yung
Oo.
gold,
Oo.
tapos may foam.
Oo.
BM800.
I had one of those.
Diba?
Tapos bibili ka nung gumagano na arm.
Oo, yung ganon, nakaklip sa tape.
Yan yung simula ng lahat ng bedroom producers.
Tama.
Tapos yun, nag-release lang ako independently muna. Inaaral ko pa yan. Saan ba? Paano ba yung
FL Studio 1 na gano'n, no?
Oo, yung mga gano'n. So, tas ayun. Actually, di ko na namalayan na, naging ka na siya.
Aha.
Naging main part of my life na talaga siya, ganun. Ayun.
Ang ganda ng journey niya kasi parang with a lot of good musicians and singers, parang ang pinaka kailangan, parang as much as you can have a great song, the performance side of it is parang yun yung next step eh.
Yeah.
Like you could put out a great song, but when you perform the song, sometimes yun yung definer if you're gonna be, it's gonna be a good song or not.
Yep.
Tapos siya nag-start siya na performing na. So parang nahasa ka agad
Ayun.
before anything else.
Yun na nga, you came from being in a band, tapos started performing, yun nga, in public
Yeah,
spaces
tas yung mga-
by yourself.
Yung pwesto na 3 hours, hindi yun biro.
Yeah, that is
Hindi
not a,
biro yun.
for sure.
Malala yun.
And
Diba?
also taking requests.
Oo, hindi
Do
yun biro.
Do you have a song na ayaw mo? Joke.
Oh, ano yung mga
song? Oo,
ano
like,
yung song na pag
mahirap.
ni-request sa'yo parang kailangan mo lunukin na
Oo.
parang
Before.
Hindi naman lunukin, hindi naman sa ayaw ko kantahin.
Aha.
Actually, gusto ko siyang kantahin. Yung thing is, nahihirapan ako
Gets.
kantahin.
So may song.
Mga south border na ang tataas. As in, kasi kapag kinaya mo siya
tapos pati
kantahin,
chords,
Oo.
pahirapan.
ang ganda kasi nung kanta,
Yeah.
tapos parang pagka binabaan mo siya, parang
Bit,
hindi na siya as
Iba na.
as
Hindi
impactful.
bumabato
Oo.
as the original.
Pero gusto ko talagang kantahin kaso nahihirapan talaga ako. Pero tinatry ko pa rin kasi ang haba-haba naman ng set ko. Di try ko na, di ba? So ayun.
Kumbaga isang
Sobrang
song lang
enjoy
siya sa
naman.
maraming
Oo.
kanta, hindi
Yeah.
naman
So
mapapansin.
kapag ka
yun.
nare-request siya, masaya ako at the same time, kinakabahan naman ako.
Oo.
Ganun.
And isn't that growth? Diba?
Yeah,
As a
yeah,
person,
diba?
as
Oo.
an
Seek
artist.
discomfort.
Yes.
Tama,
Tama.
diba? That's how you grow talaga when you're forced into a situation na hindi ka
Right.
sure. And yun nga, coming from, that's crazy kasi, I mean, hindi naman ako artist, pero ganun din yung parang,
Artist
ko.
ka, wag mo-
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
artist in the
Artist
sense that
ka.
you guys are artists ba? I'm an artist in a different sense.
Yes.
But anyway, ganun din yung parang exposure ko sa hosting
Mm.
to begin with. I was just, pushed into the public
okay,
space.
okay.
And that's how I also learned. So, and from there, parang nagtuloy-tuloy na din
Mm,
lahat. So,
diba?
from, yun na nga, performing at these public spaces, food parks and all of that, and then actually writing your songs and putting it out there. How did it feel na, especially the first time you felt na may exposure ka na as an artist? How did it feel for you? And what was that moment for you na parang, oy, kaya pala to, like, kaya ko palang, gawin to?
Actually, yung pinakaunang beses na naramdaman ko na nagkakaroon ako ng exposure is I released a song na ang title niya ay A Day With You. Tapos ang uso pa nun, mga mid-2020, merong Facebook group dati na ang pangalan Music Requests Without Context.
Alam ko.
Tapos nilagay ko lang siya doon. Tapos sabi ko, "Hi guys, nag-release ako ng kanta, ganyan." Kasi lang parang dati sobrang hiyang-hiya ako mag-post ng ganun. As in, kailangan kong i-prep yung sarili ko buong araw na pindutin yung post. Kasi medyo siya, hindi naman
May weird feeling
oo,
yung
may weird
self-promotion.
feeling. Oo, parang
For
medyo
sure.
may cringe ng konti. Pero sabi ko, sino pa bang gagawa kundi ako, diba?
Oo.
So, nung pinost ko yun, medyo nagka-traction. Tapos yun yung unang beses na naramdaman ko na, ay, pala, iba talaga yung power of social media ngayon. Kumbaga, hindi kailangan na parang sobrang laki ng backer mo to be able to be heard.
Yeah.
Diba? Anyone can be heard now, diba? So, doon ka unang naramdaman talaga na, ay, parang
Pwede mo siya
meron pala
gawin.
talaga
Oo.
akong talent.
Meron pala akong
may ibubuga pala ako.
Oh. That's true. I mean, minsan, di naman talaga natin kailangan ng validation. But it's good.
Yeah,
Alam mo
oo.
yun, it's always welcome.
Oo.
Yeah, and yun nga, parang sabi niya nga, parang nowadays, sa social media, hindi mo kailangan ng any backer kasi yun na yung Social media yung pinaka-wild card ngayon sa lahat ng musician. Para you can go from having 0 followers, tas biglang the next thing you know, may hit song ka. Parang
Sobrang
wala
importante ng pag-post talaga. May napanood ako dati, parang sabi niya, kung isa kang content creator or artist or anything that has to do with having a community, having an audience, bawat post parang lottery ticket, di ba?
Yeah.
Parang any post can really catapult you, di ba? So kung saan mo man gusto mapunta.
Kaya nga yung traditional promo stuff dati, parang marami ngayong like label people na nagbibigay ng suggestions sa parang if you have a budget for a music video, use that whole budget to just do a shoot of like maraming content plans.
Yeah.
Kasi yun, parang ang nila, yung isang music video na yun, isang video lang siya.
Yeah.
Kasi if you put out like 100 videos, imposibleng walang
Oo.
kakagat sa
Oo.
100 videos na yun.
Yeah.
That's true. And I think also, kasi, yun nga, with social media now, I think part of the reason why, yun nga, yung post na yun, which you had to muster up the confidence na kailangan mo i-post. I think that's all part of it and the reason why people, can relate to it. Kasi, yun nga, it's social media now, especially now, people can tell when you do things for the right reasons.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah.
So, parang if you're doing it, because so many people, anybody can post content these days. But, yun nga, they can feel the authenticity behind yung mga pinopost natin.
Tama.
Which I think takes away pressure then at the same time. Kasi kung tama naman yung ginagawa mo,
Yeah, tama.
it shouldn't feel so scary at
Yeah.
the same time.
Saka as a viewer, parang ang sarap din mag-support ng artist na alam mong wala siyang hinahanap sa yung
Oo.
kapalit.
Yeah.
Na gusto niya lang i-share sa yung
Yeah,
ginagawa niya.
totoo yan.
Parang yung tropa, gano'n.
Oo.
Nag-share lang ng kayo ng feelings.
Mas i-absorb mo yung sinasabi ng tao pag hindi mo na-feel na gusto niya lang kumuha ng quick buck sa'yo.
Oo.
As an artist.
Yeah, totoo yan. Ramdam mo rin agad yun kapag yung ganong authenticity.
Yeah, and what did it feel like? Siyempre, the internet, ang dami din tao sa internet, di ba? And ang dami nakikipag-interact with you, especially when that moment came. So how did it feel na parang when nakita mo yung mga comments ng mga tao tapos they're actually responding to what you said, how did it feel to have that kind of community building from the start?
Sobrang saya. As in, iba talaga yung pagka may community na nagsusupport talaga sa'yo. And though hindi naman yun yung parang end all be all ng music. Kasi para sa akin naman talaga as long as you get for me as long as I get to write the songs that I love, as long as I get to release them, as long as I get to perform kahit saan, big crowd, small crowd, basta maibuhos ko lang yung sarili ko into what I love doing. Yun talaga yung pinaka-importante sa akin. Pero sobrang laking bonus talaga kapag ka merong taong nagre-resonate sa kanta mo. Yung legitimately and genuinely na gusto yung kanta mo. Diba? Sobrang gandang feeling nun eh. Tapos iba pa yung kapag sasabihin nila, ay gusto ko to gamitin sa kasal ko.
Mm.
Sabi mo yun,
Actually,
something na
yun.
sinulat mo, gusto nilang gamitin sa pinaka-importanting araw ng buhay nila. So sobrang sarap lang sa feeling kapag people resonate with your creations.
I mean, I think that's a really good way to look at it. Na
Mm.
parang, syempre first and foremost, artist ka because, yun nga, may mga feelings ka or gusto mong ilabas. You have like a creative outlet for things. And yun na nga, the people that relate to your music come after and parang it just builds this whole experience of your music in general. Kasi yun na nga yun, parang it goes hand in hand, diba? How do you think that experience at that time? Paano ba na-shape yung the way that you create your music? Kasi syempre you went from, making music in your bedroom during the pandemic to now, grabe yung ngayon. Like, to go from point A to point B, syempre may mga adjustments ka din in the way that you write or the way that you view music, diba? So ano ba yung, paano ba?
Paano mo piece together
Yes,
lahat na na-pick
tama.
up mo from all of that?
Tama.
I think para sa akin talaga, it's more of yung pinaka-central idea ko na nabuhos ko ba yung sarili ko sa song na to. Kasi para sa akin parang kahit na kahit na i-anticipate ko na millions may makikinig dito or ilang tao lang, it's all the same when it comes to songwriting na kailangan this has to be me, this has to be authentically galing sa kung ano yung nararanasan ko, ano yung nafe-feel ko, ano yung nagre-reflect sa kung sino ako. So I think regardless of whatever stage I am, kung up and coming pa lang ako or kung nasa taas na ako or kahit saan man, I think it will never change na kung paano ako magsulat ng kanta. Probably sa pag-produce ng kanta, doon yung magkakatalo kasi dati ako lang mag-isa. Ngayon meron na akong team to help me with my production.
Malaking bagay yung production value.
So I think yung musicality side yung nag-change. Especially now that I have people na tumutulong talaga sa akin na baka mas maganda yung gantong element, yung mga ganon. So doon medyo nagbago in a good way kasi kahit na meron akong direction na gusto towards a song na gusto ko ganito yung maging sound niya, ganyan. Iba pa rin yung meron kang trusted ears na mag-a-add ng
Saka, I think
ganun.
yung maganda sa nangyari sa kanya, kasi yung producer mo, si Megs, halos, for sure, same kayo ng direction ng gusto.
Oo, yun talaga.
But it's just that, siguro, medyo mas, si Megs, mas may experience.
Oo, seasoned talaga.
So, parang ang laking bagay na alam niya kung saan mo gustong dalhin yung kanta. Tapos kaya niya sabihin sa'yo kung hindi yun yung tamang way for that.
Oo. Tsaka, sobrang nagugustuhan ko rin kapag kasi nasabi niya na kapag I think mas better yung ganito. Yung hindi takot magsabi ng sariling opinion, ganun.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman pwede yung oo lang ng oo sa akin, 'di ba? Kasi dahil lang kanta ko. Pero at the same time, nagmi-meet kami lagi halfway, ganun.
And I'm sure it goes both ways na you as an artist,
That's what I was
napafeel
gonna
mo
say.
na galing. You as an artist for sure napafeel mo rin sa producer mo na okay, ako open ako sa kung ano yung feeling mo tama. Magandang bagay yung trust
That's
dun sa
true.
relationship na yun.
Oo.
Yeah. Kasi with anything, diba? I mean, of course, as an artist, may mga idea kayo. And sometimes, a lot of the times, may mga ego din diba? So, to be open to suggestions, not even criticism, diba? Just suggestions is already a big thing, diba? Because not everybody is like that. Parang hindi naman tayo lahat sanay na, kasi you go in, sometimes you think na your idea is the best.
Yeah, and the studio's the best place to get lost in all of that. Kasi syempre, when you go into the studio, yung heart mo for the art medyo mataas. So the egos are up. Tapos preferences are super strong pagdating sa artist / producer. So magandang nabuo niyo yung environment na tama for that.
Yeah, and it's nice na yun nga, you're able to surround yourself with people who get kung ano ba yung gusto mong gawin with your music. Which is why I think brings us to the success you're feeling right now. Kasi yun nga, you surrounded yourself with people who see the vision, care about the vision. And ikaw din, you yourself care so much about yung gusto mong gawin with the music and the opportunity that's been given to you to be able to release music, diba? And which is why, sa Bawat Sandali, my goodness,
Yeah.
grabe. Every day ko siya in-introduce sa Mix Daily Top 10. As in,
Oy!
every day.
Salamat.
If for the past week or so as we were talking
Hindi ka
right
naman
now.
magsasawa.
Syempre hindi.
Yan.
Syempre
May
hindi.
mga
Baka naman
weeks pa
sinasabi
yan.
mo lang yan kasi
Oo,
nandito ako.
hindi.
Actually, sabi
I'm
niya sa akin
not
kanina.
complaining.
Ayan na.
Wow.
Sabi niya sa akin kanina, favorite niya daw
Wow.
i-introduce yung song na yun.
Yes, tama.
okay,
Tama
okay.
kasi it's very refreshing.
Yeah.
It's nice to have songs like this.
Yeah.
Na sometimes you just want to feel.
Yeah.
Diba? And it's nice to see nga that you're experiencing all of this. So let's talk about that. Yung parang how did you expect na mangyayari to, or like
Hindi.
when you first created this song, did you feel na ito na 'yan?
Oh, eto na.
Ito na 'yan.
Damn,
Ganon.
makakakain ako ng marami.
Hindi, actually habang nire-record namin tong kanta na to, nakikipag-negotiate ako sa work ko to have a higher pay. So, as in
Wow.
Sa day job mo.
oo, as in, wala akong idea na if full-time ko tong music. Talagang, iniisip ko na for the long term talaga akong magbabalance nito. As in, and never naman ako napunta sa kahit anong charts ever sa music career ko. So, tapos, hindi lang siya nag-enter, kundi nag-number 1 pa, ganyan. So, sobrang unexpected nitong lahat. And gusto ko lang talagang i-savor and maging grateful sa bawat araw. Kaya day by day talagang, lahat ng pwedeng maging grateful for talaga. Sobrang thankful ko lang talaga sa lahat ng to. Ayun.
Tutti Saver, I'm sure we all know na you deserve it. Ganda.
Thank you.
Ang ganda ng song. And it's hard to go on top ng hindi maingay yung song mo. In a pop sense, it's always the louder songs, the more energetic songs that go on top. So, sobrang laking bagay niyan.
Actually, that's true.
It is.
When I first heard about you
Mm.
because of this song, sabi ko, wait, what? Like, I mean, di ba? Parang it came from, alam mo yun, parang it just appeared
Yeah.
there. Di ba? Alam mo yun? Parang
Oo.
nandun na siya. And then I was like, wow! Biglang na siya, number 3 sa Mixed Daily Top 10. Ganon. As in that level. Sabi ko, wow, this is so cool.
Sobrang lakas kasi ng first line.
Yeah.
As in, pag open nung song, ang ganda na binigay mo agad yung first line na yun.
Mm-mm.
Kasi parang in a formula, in a sense of a formula, parang, okay, kuha agad ako ng kanta. Parang nakaganan agad ako dun sa kanta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think just the initial feeling that you
Yeah.
get from
Parang,
the song is something I haven't felt in a while.
Oh.
No, I mean, I meant
Kala ko
in
happy ka.
songs. Happy ako. I meant in songs.
Okay ka naman
lang
sa
ba?
life, diba?
Hindi kasi, that's the power of
Yeah,
music,
yeah, yeah.
right? Diba? Parang
Yeah.
even though you're not really going
Oo,
through
may
something.
pinaparamdam siya sa'yo.
Oo. And that's how powerful
in.
it is. Grabe. With affirmations. No, pero ganun talaga siya. Kasi I feel, yun nga, for you, it must be a very personal experience.
Yeah, oo.
Syempre. And this song, yun nga, why do you think people relate to it so
And
much?
why did you write the song
Yeah.
in the first place?
Ako, I wrote this song kasi yun yung as in that's the love that I experienced, that's the love that I really want, yung something that goes beyond kilig, yung gusto ko talaga tong makitang tao na to kasi nakakapagpahinga ako pag kasama ko siya. As in, meron talagang mga ganun, 'di ba, yung spend a few hours with them tas parang recharge na yung buong pagkatao mo. And ayun, gusto ko lang talaga siya ma-put into a song just to remind myself to be grateful for these people in my life, ganun. And I think kaya nakakapag-resonate yung mga tao kasi una, hindi lang siya for romantic love. But ang dami nagsasabi na they dedicate it to God, to their families, to their parents. So whatever kind of love that gets you recharged, whatever kind of love that lets you rest, yun yung talaga. Yun yung, I think, the reason why people resonate with this song.
Yeah, as you get older.
Age reveal.
As you get old, I'm not that old. I'm still Gen Z. Anyway,
Tama.
as you get older, parang nare-realize mo that romantic relationships are not the end-all, be-all of
Yes.
your life.
Oo.
Yes.
Diba? Gusto ko yung point na yun na, people do relate to it because you realize the importance of your relationships with your friends,
Yeah.
your
Oo.
faith, and all of those things. Na when you're younger, wala ka naman pake, di ba? Parang you just...
It's easy to be dependent on romance for those
Yeah.
types of feelings when you're younger.
Pero like breaking up with a friend, just
Oo.
worse nga than a romantic breakup sometimes,
Yep.
di ba? So,
Yeah.
I like na, yun nga, feeling ko din, now, na-realize natin na we have to take care of all of our relationships.
Yep.
And even your relationship to what you're doing, di ba? Yung,
Yeah, oo.
yung music, that's also something that you have to take
Yeah.
care of.
Yeah.
And yeah, so how has it been ever since, you know, nakita mo na yung how people responded to the song and just, you know, it blowing up also and, you know, being part of the soundtrack also
Oo.
of Ang Mutya ng Section E. How has it been for you and how do you feel? Like, sometimes kasi it's easy, diba, when things like this happen, to feel a lot of pressure then.
Yeah.
So how has that been for you?
Ako, sa totoo lang, di ko nga talaga siya in-expect. Pero, ngayon na nandito na siya, I really want to strike while the iron is hot. So,
Go!
ang dami naming mga gigs ngayon that I really had to leave my day job. Kasi, pero that's a good thing, diba? To be put in a position to choose kasi hindi na kaya.
Oo.
Hindi na kayang i-balance. So that's really a blessing. And also, it was also a blessing that my day job allowed me to flourish sa music ko.
Yeah.
So sobrang blessed din ako during that time. And ngayon naman, sobrang nag-align nga talaga lahat dahil napunta dun sa Ang Mutya ng Section E yung song, which really helped push this song. Tas yung music video, nag-star doon si Andres and si Ashtin na mga bida rin nung series. Tapos, ayun, parang lahat talaga, everything that has happened has really helped me reach yung, parang naging goal ko na rin kasi na sana balang araw, ito na yung maging, ito na yung maging day job ko, kumbaga, 'di ba? Parang yun naman yung parang gusto ng lahat ng artist. Pero, hindi ko naman pwede rin sabihin na, ayoko rin sabihin na nung may day job pa akong iba, na hindi ako successful in my own right. Kasi for me, being successful is just being able to pursue what you love to do, diba? And nagagawa ko naman siya.
Ang ganda ng sinabi niya na parang being successful is being able to pursue. Na parang hindi porket hindi ka pa nasa tuktok, hindi ka pa successful. Just the fact na you got the chance to pursue whatever you wanna do.
Kasi ang hirap, depend yung success mo sa external validations. Parang kailangan manggaling din talaga siya sa'yo.
Just the mere freedom of being able to do
diba?
it.
Tama.
It's success.
That's
Ganda
so
nun.
true. Oh my goodness. Oo. Parang, minsan, we associate success with, not material things, pero that's part
Numbers.
of it. Parang number,
Numbers,
mga
oo.
ganon. Something tangible.
Yeah.
Parang ganon. Pero, yeah, just the fact that you said being able to do this
Yeah.
is already a success in
Yeah,
itself.
oo,
Because
diba?
not everybody is able to do
Oo,
it.
Having the
sobrang
luxury to at
privilege.
least
Diba?
have your foot
Oo.
in.
And even just leaving your day job
Yeah.
is
Oo.
so scary.
Oo,
That's
as
a
in,
scary experience.
Sobrang thankful ako na I have the privilege to take that risk in the
Yeah.
first place.
And
diba?
even being able to do that while you had your day job, ang
Oo.
laking luxury na rin
Oo,
nun.
sobra. As in, sobrang laking luxury na, nasa bahay pa ako ng parents ko, na I really don't have anything to, na parang wala pa akong major responsibility. I still get to chase my dream.
Yes.
Well, yung meron pa rin akong fallback, ganyan.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
everything is a privilege para sa akin talaga na kaya kong i-pursue tong passion ko sa arts.
Mhm.
Yun.
Yeah, and it's very high risk, no?
Mm.
Which
Yes.
is a very,
Yes.
but then
Very yes.
in your case, it's a very well-informed risk.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Gets ba? Kasi parang hindi mo lang, like, hindi siya premature.
Oo.
Yung parang decision mo na yun. And
Na kumbaga, hindi ka nag-stop ng work bago mag-start.
yes,
Yeah.
tama.
Nandun na, pwede ka na mag-stop.
Yeah,
na.
props to you for persevering through that point in your life.
That's
kasi-
a smart guy.
Oo, totoo. And
Very calculated, pang BS math
yeah,
yung
ve-
decisions niya.
Oo, true.
Ganda.
Ang
Galing
galing,
ka, no?
ang galing.
Solid.
Ang galing.
Handshake mo.
Galing.
Galing nun.
Good for you. Oh, pero yeah, I think that's ako na-pressure ako.
Natuwa ako eh.
But just thinking about that time in your life and even yung negotiating a salary.
Yeah, oo.
Oo.
Grabe, nakaka-stress yun.
Oo, as in, ganun ako kawalang expectation. Hindi naman hindi ko gustong mag-hit,
Pero hindi mo pa makita.
hindi ko
na
siya,
nandun na siya.
I ayoko talaga magsulat for the sake of, ito na yung hit. Gusto ko magsulat
Perfect.
for the passion, for and hoping, syempre, being optimistic that everything will come,
Yeah.
everything else
Fall
will
into place,
follow.
yeah.
Oo. Ayun.
What a journey. And it's just begun. Alam mo yun?
Yes.
Which is so crazy.
Yeah.
And it's nice knowing na may consciousness ka ng ganun.
Yeah.
Oo.
Parang pagpasok mo pa lang, may ganun, aware ka na sa...
Is it a Gen Z thing?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe. We like to take risks.
Oo.
Well-informed
tayo yung
well-informed risks.
Calculated rock and roll.
Yeah. That's so
Calculated
true.
rock and roll.
Kasi medyo, medyo irresponsible na kung hindi calculated na these days. So, I think it's important.
Yes.
But in this time now, in your career, diba? Yun nga, like we said, it's just beginning.
Yeah.
And we're curious to know in what direction do you want to take your music, diba? Kasi, yeah, you can do so many things eh. It's such a big thing that you can do now. So, ano ba yung gusto mong gawin with your music? Where do you want to take it?
Ako kasi, nung may day job ako, ang pinaka-struggle para sa akin is magsulat ng kanta. Kasi, para sa akin, ang pagsusulat ko ng kanta, kailangan ko ng dead time, yung idle na wala akong ginagawa. Kasi doon pumapasok yung mga ideas, ganyan. Hindi, ang hirap ng mag-schedule lang ako ng oras, ganito, sa gantong araw magsusulat akong kanta. Kasi minsan walang pumapasok. Pero ngayon na I really have the time to focus on my music. Gusto ko mas maging consistent na mag-release ng kanta, consistent na mag-gig, and gusto ko lang talaga mas maging consistent. I really don't have a specific goal in mind, pero gusto ko lang talagang maging consistent na maglabas ng songs. Kasi I really think that I have a lot to share. And I'm really glad na I found my audience. Kasi merong magsasabi na I have to follow the trend ganyan na at what sound is trending, pero I really believe that every artist will have their own niche, their own audience, na hindi mo kailangan mag-compromise ng sound mo. I mean full as in to change your sound. Siguro may little compromises here and there, pero at the end of the day it has to be you. It has to sound like yourself para ang hirap i-market ng kanta na hindi mo gusto.
Yeah, for sure.
As
Tama.
in so talagang kailangan you really have to be in love with the song para mas mas genuine din yung kung paano mo siya i-market, paano mo siya kakantahin live, ganyan, 'di ba? So, ayun, yun yung main thing para sa akin, consistency and still being the same in terms of my own sound.
Yes. And sabi mo nga kanina, consistency is one of the things that you need to go to
Yeah,
success.
oo. Grabe
Diba?
talaga. As in ako, talagang inano ko na everyday magpo-post ako. Everyday. Walang
That's so
Oo.
hard!
as in
As somebody who tries to post also.
mula November hanggang today, wala pa ako namimiss na araw na
Oh,
mag-post.
Damn.
my goodness! Props to
Oo.
you!
As
Ang
in, ano
hirap
lang.
nun!
Sa amin,
Kahit na-
swerte na yung hindi makamiss ng 1 week. eh.
Oo, true.
Hindi, pero ako rin, ganyan ako dati. Pero
Oo.
sabi ko kasi, every post na may isang madagdag na listener ka na genuinely gusto yung kanta mo, ano na yan, win na yan for the day, di ba?
Oo.
So talagang,
Damn.
every day is an opportunity, go lang ng go.
my
Kahit na
God.
medyo umay na ako sa sarili ko, go lang ng go, di ba?
Oo.
Wala namang mawawala
Basta
eh.
hindi sila umay sa'yo.
Oo,
Yun yung
yun
important
naman
part.
yun.
Yun, oo.
Di saka parang in every post, hindi naman same people yung makakita.
Oo, di ba?
Although, meron kang, parang, as much as you're consistent with your postings. Sorry, biglang segue. Gaano ka ka-consistent in terms of your writing and the niche that you want to write for and the references that you have as a musician?
Well, I think lahat naman ng pinopost ko or lahat ng everything that I create is always towards the sound that I want. Lagi siyang parang hindi naman ako nagsistray away. Siguro merong mga times na broader audience ang ine-aim ko.
Yeah.
Pero I think always nakatuon ako sa sarili kong audience na kasi laging meron namang madadagdag na ay gusto ko pala yung kahit bago,
Yeah.
gusto ko pala yung gantong music ganyan.
Gets.
So I think there's always new listeners out there na naghahanap din ng sound mo, ganun.
Aha.
That's true. And if you think about it, yung mga trends, they all come from niches that
Oo.
eventually just
Yeah, yeah,
became
Diba? Oo,
more
totoo,
acceptable.
totoo yan, oo.
Parang mas naging open lang talaga
Parang
yung mga tao.
kada sound, parang bench player lang muna siya. Tapos
Yeah.
magkakaroon siya ng time na
Like,
biglang
what,
Oo.
time niya na.
parang
Yeah,
ganun.
right,
It
right.
just, they used to be niches. And then
Yeah.
for some miracle, parang mas naging open yung mga tao and they start embracing
And I'm
that
sure
kind
yung
of
mga influences mo in music, galing rin sila sa own niches nila before
Oo,
sila
yeah.
sumabog.
thing. Yeah, like who are some of your inspirations, you would say?
Ako talaga sa OPM, ang pinaka inspiration ko sa pagsusulat ng kanta is si Ebe Dancel tsaka si Janoy Danao.
I see that.
Ayan.
Oo. Yeah, and yung music talaga nila is, you know,
Very yearning
Timeless.
talaga.
Yun
and
mismo
it's
ang yearning.
timeless.
Oo,
yeah,
timeless
as
talaga.
in, every time you hear it, you're just like, you know.
Actually.
Oo.
Yes, sila talaga.
That is actually very yearning. True. Wow. Napayearn tuloy ako. I know, but yeah, I feel it great na yun nga yung mindset mo eh. Kasi yun nga, very mature.
Yeah.
It's a very mature way to look at things. And very honest ka din na, you know, music is not all just fun. You know, at the
Yeah,
same time,
oo.
you're very informed sa mga
Oo.
nangyayari.
Kasi tao rin tayo, kailangan din natin ng mga whatever the other people work for. Rin naman pinagtatrabahuan din nating lahat as 'di ba, artists ganyan. So hindi tayo naiiba. I mean, yung needs natin ay
Yeah.
hindi naiiba sa ibang tao.
And I guess the more human you take yung mindset mo sa music in terms of a business
Yeah.
and art, the more human your sound will be
Oo.
also.
Yeah, oo.
Na hindi siya, parang, kumbaga, if you're so, pag tinitignan mo yung music as all fun and games and very romanticized,
Oo.
yung writing mo hindi rin magiging
Yeah,
as
oo.
honest as it should be,
Yeah,
as
tama.
human as it should be.
Mas relatable nga, 'di ba, kung
Yeah.
talagang tao ka rin talaga, no?
Oo, exactly.
That's true. And especially these days, I feel like over-romanticizing is the thing. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Parang ang
Especially
dami-
for artists.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like
As in-
how? Like how?
In the sense na it's parang now that artists are very much accepted and it's considered a real job to be an artist. Ang dali, parang compared to before,
Yeah.
parang ang dali isipin na hindi art lang yung ginagawa ko, mag-art lang ako, wala akong ibang consider. Ito yung naniniwala ko sa art ko na ganito, so itutuloy ko to.
Oo.
In all aspects, ang dali mo over-romanticize ng art as an artist.
Yeah.
So how do you combat something like that?
Ikaw muna.
Kailangan
Ako-
yun ng ego
Oo nga,
punch, ganon.
Hindi naman, kailangan mo lang talaga maging for me, kailangan mo lang talaga maging grounded and practical na
Yeah.
lang din, I mean, this is parang itong job na to is just as important as any other job. Na,
Yeah.
diba?
Actually.
Nagkataon lang na mas ang trabaho natin na to ay mas nakikita ng mga tao,
Oo.
'di ba? Ayun.
And in a sense lang din na parang if hindi namin iisipin na trabaho to, hindi namin siya magagawa long term.
Yeah, oo.
Parang kung mag-art
Oo.
lang kami,
Oo.
paano namin babayaran yung art na yun?
Yeah,
Paano
yeah.
namin masusustain yung art na yun?
Oo.
That's true. That's true. So to anybody listening though, kasi I feel like not everybody has that understanding that
Oo.
Yeah.
artists of any kind at the end of the day still see it. Siyempre, if that's your job,
Mm.
quote unquote job.
Yeah.
Diba? It's a job in a different sense
Oo,
talaga
it's a
eh.
job.
Oh,
Yeah.
pero job pa din siya at the
Oo.
end of the day kasi hard work goes
Yeah.
into it.
Yes.
A lot of hard work, just a different
Mm.
kind of hard
Aha.
work.
Oo.
Yeah, not in the traditional sense. So I
Mm.
think it's nice to hear from people like us na
Yeah.
hindi very traditional ang
Yeah.
path.
Oo.
'Di ba? Na yun nga, nahihirapan din tayo. Like because it can seem very fun for people
Oo.
watching on the outside,
Yeah.
from the outside. But to experience it yourself is also hard. Sometimes very isolating also, 'di ba?
Yeah.
'Di ba? Na parang you feel like, especially I'm curious in your group of friends before, you became an artist. How did that feel? Na parang, do you have other artist friends na parang,
Meron, yeah.
that's
Pero
good.
at the
That's
same
good.
time, yung mga friends ko na, yung mga class ko ng high school na STEM ang ano lang talaga sila, sobrang supportive lang talaga nila sa akin. And I think yun maganda doon, hindi nagbabago yung kung paano sila makipag-interact sa akin.
Yeah.
I think parang I'm the same person, just with mga nagbago lang ang mga nangyari ganun.
With a broader audience.
Yeah.
You're the same human with a broader audience.
Which is a good thing. To keep yourself grounded
Yeah, oo.
then, di ba? Kasi those people knew you from a time that not everybody knew
Yeah,
you
oo.
from.
Yeah.
And it's nice to have those people to remind you then of who you were before. Because especially now, no, it's easy to get lost in
Yep.
mga ginagawa natin and to remember the kind of person we are.
And when you're pursuing a path that's different from other people, especially from your past, it's
Mhm.
easy to not to be disconnected.
yeah,
Kasi syempre
that's
kung
so
nasan yung
true.
work mo, nandun din yung mga taong kasama mo.
Yeah,
Mhm.
totoo naman.
That's so true. And yun nga, it's just a very complex
It's
experience.
Yes.
Yes, but no, if you are listening and you're feeling this way, don't worry, you're not alone.
Yeah, oo
We
nga.
also feel those things. Don't
Oo.
worry. Madami namang creatives din na ngayon eh, di ba?
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
are more open to becoming friends with other creatives also, which is nice. A building community
Yeah.
kind of thing. And I think also for music, it's nice to see na you're also growing in that space. You're getting more friends, you know, like as artists then who are kind of feeling the same way as you. And we're really excited to see yung mga gagawin mo pa, especially with your music and
Yes.
and everything that you have planned. And I think it's just really nice to see, yun nga, like I was saying a while ago, that the music na you've been putting out is something that I feel like it's a little bit different talaga from
Yeah.
yun nga, that whole yearning,
Messaging.
Yeah.
love thing. It's really nice to see na medyo naiiba siya. So how do you feel in terms of, diba, yun nga, in the landscape of OPM before, especially, hugot talaga
Yeah.
yung parang reigning supreme, king.
Like, meron talagang
as in,
playlist na hugot
yun
yung
talaga
pangalan.
yun. And when we
Level.
think of Filipino love songs,
It's
diba,
hugot.
most of them are hugot. But
Ah.
then for you, you're like a little bit different in terms of that. So is that something na you want to continue, or is it something that you plan to?
Yeah.
I think dahil nga ganun din yung influences ko, ganung type of songs. Parang ganun talaga yung mga gusto kong isulat. Yun tulad nga na nabanggit ko kanina, parang para sa akin yung ultimate compliment is sasabihin nila na gusto nila gamitin sa kasal nila yung song. So, I think nandun na rin talaga yung yung niche ko. And from the very start din naman, ganun na talaga ako magsulat ng kanta. So, actually kapag nagsusulat ako ng kanta, hindi ako yung parang, okay, ito yung theme ko ngayon. Ito yung theme ko ngayon. Whatever comes out talaga. And nagkakataon laging ganun. So, ayun, feeling ko I will stick here. Pero, not to say naman na hindi ako mag-venture out to other themes. I'm really open to that. Kung ano lang talaga yung lumabas sa aking, kokote.
Baul.
Utak.
Oo, sa kanyang baul.
Sa aking baul.
Kung ano ang kanyang
Oo,
mahugot.
kung ano ang aking madukot.
Yeah.
Which I think is the best way to
Yeah.
sort of write a song na hindi ka parang, today,
Yeah,
susulat
diba?
ko ganito, ito yung title ko, ito yung theme
Yeah,
ko.
isn't that hard?
It's, honestly, it's easier for some people.
Yeah.
Ah,
Na
really?
If you have a theme in mind, it's easier to
Ah.
create something and have a finished product when you have a very,
May
specific
guideline
guide.
ka.
but it's harder for it to be human when it's like that. Kasi you're sort of putting yourself in a box. Parang, okay, ito
Yeah.
lang yung pwede kong isulat.
Tama.
Kunyari, nagsusulat ka, naramdaman ko to. Ay, hindi, di yan kasi hindi yan yung theme ko eh. So when you're writing like he's writing, parang, okay, ito yung naramdaman ko, sige, dito tayo pupunta. Ay,
Yeah.
parang biglang dito ko naramdaman, sige, ito pala yun. Which is more human.
Interesting.
Yeah. Mas abstract.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very abstract. I think that's why I'm having a hard time trying to think about it. Kasi
Yeah.
it's not an experience I've had. Kasi for example, in terms of art and things, like creating content,
Yeah.
stuff like that. Me kasi, what I do usually when I create content, diba? I watch a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Aha.
And parang, it's kind of like research,
Yeah,
you know? So do you guys do that? Is that something that
Yeah.
songwriters
Ako-
do? Oh, okay.
Ako for me, that's sa naman to, sa side ng pagmamarket ng song. Yung ideas from other artists, talagang kumukuha ako from yung mga, ay, ang ganda ng idea niya na to, ganyan.
Yeah.
Tapos, meron din yung, kung naalala nyo dati, parang, ay, ate, nahulog yung wallet nyo. Ay, I'm listening to ganyan. Diba? So, lahat
Malaking
tayo
bagay
ginawa
yun.
yun. So,
oh, yeah.
parang, ang gusto ko talaga dun sa mga artists sa TikTok, parang naghihiraman lang tayo ng ideas, ganyan.
Oo.
Kasi, lahat naman tayo gusto lang din mag-succeed, diba?
Oo.
So,
Alam mo
yun.
yung thing na yun, hindi siya, it's hard to do not because it's cringy. Ang hirap i-pull off ng humor ng mga ganung
Oo,
videos.
oo.
Yeah, kasi
totoo.
Sobrang
that's so
hirap.
true.
Oo.
Kasi nag-try.
I know.
Because my band, that's the problem of my band. Hindi kami, it's not that we don't have humor. It's just that
Ibang
we have,
humor.
iba yung humor namin. Tapos we have a hard time creating
Pulling it off,
hindi
ganun.
kami ma-social media in terms of,
okay.
Yeah.
So parang, paano natin gagawin to? Tapos ang galing na
Ah.
napupull off yung mga ganung bagay.
No, yeah, that's true. Kasi the people originated that idea. Ganun talaga yung humor nila. So that's why it's hard to
hard to pick
quote-unquote
up.
copy. Not
Ah.
everybody can do it. Kasi iba din yung humor and
Yeah.
pag-pull off.
Saka
Ganun.
iba-iba rin yung audience. So parang kunyari, at a trending concept in the US might have a different humor and pag dinala mo sa Philippines.
Yeah, I think the great is the Budots dance challenge.
Oo, yung budots yung nag-cross ng lahat ng
Diba?
boundaries.
Oh my goodness, Budots really.
Yes.
Supremacy.
Yes,
so,
Budots can
He needs help Si
Oh
DJ
yes,
Love, guys.
true. That's so true. DJ Love
He needs help. He's
does
in the
need
hospital.
help.
Yeah.
Yes, he's in the hospital.
in
You
the
guys can check it
hospital.
out on social media actually.
Yes.
Yeah, it's there. But
Help
yeah.
niya siya.
shout out to DJ Love. We love him.
Binabandera niya ang ating bansa.
Yeah, in many different
Yeah.
places all around the world, which is so crazy. And he also just started from somewhere, right? He
Yep.
had a niche,
He had a
very
niche.
specific niche
Very,
Yeah.
very
that
specific.
not everybody understood.
And I'm happy people are starting
And
to understand.
I agree. Like, it's very different. And yun nga, going back to what Amiel said, di ba?
Yeah.
Ganun talaga yun. You have a niche, you run with it, and
Yeah.
you take care of
You
it.
run with it.
Mm.
Yes.
You take care. Ano ba dapat?
Hindi, tama
You
nga.
walk with it?
Tama,
Ano
tama.
ba?
Hindi, you don't, parang you can't just walk. and, like,
Exactly.
you have to really run with it.
Yeah, you have
For
to
it to
run with it.
happen, yeah.
And yun nga, parang you take care of it then.
Yeah.
Kasi, ano yun eh, hard work. Hard work. And
Yeah.
it's nice to see yun nga, yung journey mo has brought you here. Kasi grabe din yung pinagdaanan mo in life at such a young age.
Highlight sa akin yung pwesto. Medyo wild yung pwesto.
Oh, diba?
Oo, that's
Relate,
true.
relate.
Oo. It's nice to see na ayun nga, you're very well informed sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. So do you have a message to, the people who are struggling, aspiring artists, aspiring musicians, who are afraid to take that risk or
And
just
people who have jobs.
yeah,
na
people
kailangan.
who have jobs,
Like
but
day jobs na
Yeah,
gusto
oo.
mag-pursue ng
oh,
ano.
like are a little bit
How
scared.
did you balance that?
Oo.
I think ang pinaka-importante is to really make time. Hindi yung hintayin mo lang na kung kailan ako free. You have to be intentional about it na okay, I really want to do this so I will make time. So yun yung main thing para sa akin. Though I really understand kapag may mga tao na they really can't do it kasi kapag after ng jobs they have to tend to their families ganyan, pero if you can make time.
Yep.
'Di ba? Kasi you can only succeed kapag you are intentional about what you do. So I think that's the main thing. And also be kung kaya, be consistent also. Kasi nandun talaga nasa consistency talaga yung hindi siguro sobrang liit ng percentage ng mga ng mga hindi consistent pero nag blow up talaga.
Yeah.
Pero for most talaga, it's all about consistency and being intentional about what you do.
I feel like he's speaking to me.
Ikaw yun.
Oo, kasi consistency is very hard.
Yeah, it
you
is.
know,
You are
eh,
very
eh,
consistent.
Thank you. I'm trying also.
Good job.
It's all about yun nga, parang minsan kasi you have to you have to I don't know word yun.
Ano yan?
You have to overcome. Come
Yeah,
over. You have to
Hey,
you have to overcome
Yeah, oo.
yung laziness,
Oo,
totoo
yung
yan, totoo yan.
cringe, yung ganyan. Ang daming excuses The
Oo.
excuses can go on forever.
Yeah.
Yeah, oo, totoo
But
yan.
what's better is if the consistency can go on forever. So
Yeah, so bottom line, you have to be consistent, but you have to be realistic, but also you have to intently do it.
and be
Yeah,
passionate.
oo. Balance.
Yes, and be passionate.
Be
Yes.
passionate and do not compare yourself so that you
And be
can
human.
Oo.
feel success
Yes.
in your own terms.
Yes.
Whatever that
Yes.
may look like
Yes,
for you.
oo.
Kasi diba success is different for everyone.
Tama.
Tama. What a very enlightening conversation.
this.
Me also. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako.
Ang dami ko natutunan.
Ako hindi naman natutunan. It's more of just like, na-remind ka.
Yeah, oo.
Because these are things you already knew, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Sana naman, you already
Medyo.
knew.
Medyo.
Na-remind ka lang, di ba? Na-remind ka.
50-50.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero madami tayong natutunan about
Yes,
Amel,
yes.
for sure. And very refreshing ang iyong mindset na, about life. and art and music and all of that. So sana nag-enjoy ka din. Sana
Sobrang enjoy ako. Di ko na namalayan yung oras eh.
kami din. Ilang ano na ba? Joke
2 hours na to, no?
2 hours na pala. 4 na pala. Joke lang. But thank you so much, Amil, for
Thank you so
joining
much,
us.
guys.
Maraming
Sobrang saya.
salamat. And to everybody listening, if you haven't yet, I don't know why, make sure to listen to Amil's music.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yes, please.
Yes. Yeah, do you want to invite everybody to follow your social
Saan ako
media?
titingin?
Sa
just
amin.
sa amin.
Sige, sa inyo.
Invite mo
Guys.
Invite mo kami sa
Mag-followan
Instagram.
tayo Baka naman. So, my Instagram is at @amielsol2, guys. And then my Spotify, Amielsol lang.
Okay.
And then yun, lahat ng social media ko at @amielsol2. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung at @amielsol, pero di ko siya makuha.
Merong
Meron talaga.
Hindi ko alam. I think
Ima-mass
meron
report
nung high
natin.
school,
Oo.
nung high
Hindi,
school ako
joke lang.
meron.
Joke.
Ikaw yun.
Ikaw din
Hindi,
yun.
Wala kaming password.
Hindi ako. Ibang tao.
Okay.
Pero ayun, yun lang naman. And sana, whenever I release my new songs, you guys give it the same love that
Of
We
course.
will. Tayo
Yes.
Kami
Ayun
mismo yung
dalawa.
kausap ko.
Oo,
Yung
yes,
dalawa.
we will.
Huwag kayong
Oo,
may
check,
kiniga.
oo.
Kami lang yun.
Pero gusto ko yung Amil Sol 2.
Oo.
Hindi na iba eh. Parang hindi na Amil Sol music.
Underscore.
Oo, or
Pero
hindi.
sakto
2
rin
talaga.
naman, nung high school ako, di ba, pag nagliliga-liga ako ng basketball, number 2 talaga yung jersey ko.
Kaya.
So, okay, sakto-sakto.
All roads
Oo.
lead to now.
Oo.
Yun talaga yun.
Amil
So,
Sol 2.
thank you so much once again.
Thanks,
Ipa-follow ka
guys.
namin. Don't
Yes,
worry.
tara.
Oo.
Let's be mutuals.
Basta mag-follow back.
Oo naman. Others
Baka naman
Kita,
mag-block
pwede ka
yun. Blocker pa naman kami.
Paano?
Yes, but thank you so much,
Thank
Amil
you.
Sol. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, guys.
Yay!